morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fabulous. Well, today we will learn a 9th standard lesson of subject science, which is life processes in living organisms. As you know that in the last lecture we have seen the first part, the first and second part, that is first was transportation in plants, and thereafter we have seen transportation of water in plants with the help of roots, means absorption of water by roots we have seen. Okay, so the next part is about transpiration pool. So today we will learn about transpiration pool. As you know that if any plant is there, this water will be absorbed by the roots and will be transported upwards. Okay, but plants have certain portion, means the leaves and the green part of stem have the portion opening, which is called as stomata, and which opens and closes, and water is lost. Water is lost because of evaporation, as sun will be there and this water will be evaporated through this stomata, means water will be evaporated through this. So what will happen? These cells here will be deficient in water. That's why they will absorb water from the other cells, other nearby cells. Okay, so what is happening here? All this process means, what is transpiration we will see. First of all, the definition of transpiration, as I explained you now, the loss of water through stomata is called as transpiration. Okay, this is a definition of transpiration, and this is an important definition with respect to your exam point of view as well as the upcoming topics. Okay, so you have to remember this definition. So now what we will do? We will go through a diagram. I'll show you a diagram there and explain with the help of diagram. Okay, thank you. and transpiration. As evaporation occurs, water loss is getting from the stomata, means water is lost from the stomata. It is called as transpiration, as I explained you the definition. This is all the process of transpiration through leaves. The transpiration process occurs at the daytime for the absorption of water, means water will be absorbed from the soil, and the root pressure will be active at daytime when sun will not be there. Okay, this was all about transpiration as well as evaporation leading to transpiration, and thereafter we have seen root pressure also. Okay, clear up to this what we have seen? Let's revise. Water and minerals will be absorbed, but as the temperature rises, evaporation of water is there. As the evaporation is there, that evaporation means water loss will be from the stomata, and this all process of losing of water from the stomata is called as transpiration. Okay. So student, as you learned in detail about this transpiration pool with the help of diagram. Okay, so the last part of our lecture is homework. Your homework is, you have to explain transpiration pool with the help of diagram. As I explained you with the help of diagram, that way you have to explain it. Okay, thank you.